What is up, Midway Mayhem fans? This is Dan, and we are checking back in from Icon Park, Orlando for another World's Tallest Drop Tower and SlingShot construction update. Today is a special day as we are putting up more tower segments. The ones right in front of us, going vertical. Alright, so we're getting some of the straps ready at the top, and then we're going to lift it very shortly. Alright, we are loading tension, and very soon it's going to lift off the ground. And there it is. It's off the ground. Time to go up. There it goes. It's in the air. Literally every 5 seconds. Beep. Beep.
Oh, no, that's just I'm about to
No, there is no bolt, it's just the pick.
Super. Actually, down a lot. Taking a piss still. Yeah, he's taking a piss. Ready?
There you go. You're almost there. I think you're there. No?
At all? Did you try the bolt?
I'm trying this one right now.
We need to come like another quarter inch. One more quarter inch.
You got a washer on there also. It's double washered.
It will fail. Over. And now you need to sleep. No, you need to hold it. It's flexing. One more time. You should put the bolt.
I'm getting to you now.
You can hand them to me with all the hardware on them.
That's what I'm doing.
Alright, now we'll run back. Down by this pretty soon. You got them on your way. You're gonna have to tap those in with a hammer.
That one doesn't want to go.
Got another bolt, try to shake it. Fordítva vannak az első felek. Nem fél be, csak így fejjel lefelé az első horizontáltól. Fejjel lefelé kell az első savart betenni. You got the, hey,
You got it?
let me get the bottoms. Jó. Jó, értem. A feje nem fér le attól. Nem, valóban nem úgy. Látod, hogy ez itt van, ez a csavar, a földtőnek pont egy vonal.
Hey, I got one.
You got more bottom?
There's one more.
One more?
Yep, one more there.
German, you put this one on, the first one? I put it on, yep. Just one more you have.
Go ahead, German.
Mine is missing two. Ah, yeah, that's the question. Yeah. Yeah, these two. Yeah, the same two? Yeah. You can do it upside down for now. That two can go upside down. Innen látom a lukat, szóval.
What about this one?
Alright, so then I'm gonna hop off and head over to...
What about this one? Can I put it upside down also or no?
If yours fits, just put it in.
I don't think it will, but let's see.
It should.
Well, it's hitting the bolts.
Because I was able to put one in.
How? You just hit it or what was
No,
it?
no, I didn't hit anything. It just jiggled itself in.
Uh-huh.
See? You see it?
Well, it's the, I think it's the same as this one.
Got the washer?
Yeah, right.
I got one. Coming up.
Yep. Figyelj. Jó, figyelj, négy izét. Ne, tudom. Hátfélbe. Vagy nem ez a csavarral van.
Thank you.
Alright, so you want me to go flip those upside down?
Not right now. I think we should take off the stops. Now we need to make it tight. So where are the keys? We need to...
You coming over here or up?
We're gonna go through and tighten everything down, and then I'm gonna go up.
Okay. He's gonna go around and tighten everything, and then he's gonna go up and take off the straps. But right now, just tightening. Okay, well, we only had one. Yeah, we only have one that I saw over here. I think it's probably close to like 1. All right, so as of right now, we have put in most of the bolts. And we're tightening them down, not torquing them down, but everything looks to be just about all right. We're undoing the straps up at the top now. Ooh, sorry. No, you're good. I got you, and use your foot to brace against me. Okay. There. There. You go to the other side? Alright, I'm on that one. Yeah! Right there, yep. Hold on, you good there? Here, can you see that? I can't see it, so... What?
You don't need to go too crazy.
No, just
tight. Comfortable, and we're gonna go back to the gun.
yes. Am I on?
Right there.
Got it. All right, I'm coming around the other side. Got it. I think. Am I on?
Yeah.
Okay. Go ahead. Do one more. I'm on. Good stuff, German. I'm on. Good. Should be it, right?
Yeah. I mean, we could try to flip these and see maybe if
Good call. Okay.
appreciate you.
I'm on.
Alright.
I'm on.
Hold it for a bit.
Got it.
If you want, actually, you can do that
Yep.
one. Probably be easier. What?
How tight?
Just
There.
so it gets tight.
That's
yeah.
it.
I'm not trying to put any actual torque on it.
Alright. I got it.
Yep.
That should be it, right? The one that we did upside down?
Yep.
Okay, give me 1 second. Hey, it worked.
Nice.
All right, we got it. All right, we're ready when you are. And here we go. The second segment going up.
You want that basket on the outside?
All right, so the second segment is going in. Got it lined up, about ready to put some bolts in. about to torque down some bolts. It's a sound that we love to hear. Ta-da! We are now over in the storage lot, and there is a lot to show you this week, as there's been a bunch of progress for the SlingShot. It's gotten lights, channels, zip ties, and more, and very soon the rest of it will be going into the air. All right, so let's get a little closer and show you exactly what's going on with the lights. So you can see right here, amplifier boxes, that right there, and this is an LED light strip that literally goes up all the cross sections. Each one of them has one, and on the purple support columns, each one of those has two of them. This thing is gonna light up like a Christmas tree. Super bright, very complex, can do all sorts of different colors. I believe it has a full color wheel spectrum, in fact. Over here, same thing, lights, zip ties, channels, and it looks good. We're wrapping up work right now. Should have the last tower segment done by the end of today. Alrighty guys, so we wanted to showcase some of the guys that are physically building this attraction, and we have Austin here. And Austin, can you tell me what you do for this project?
Pretty much, we're running LED strips, make it look pretty. Got a nice little system that's gonna jump to music and pretty much draw anybody who sees it from miles away to come want to ride it. So
what has been one of your favorite experiences so far?
So far, I do have to say that overall technical aspect to it is very, very, very more demanding than I was initially, I guess you can say, than I initially thought. It's a lot more of an undertaking for sure, but got a process going and it's gonna look nice for
awesome.
Sure.
Now, one final question: are you gonna ride it?
That's a big yes.
Okay.
That's a big yes. I have to say yes.
Good stuff again.
Maybe not right away. Just being honest, but definitely 100% for sure.
Good stuff. Again, that's Austin, one of the guys on the crew here for the new Orlando SlingShot. All right, continuing on, we have Matt here, another one of the crew members, and this guy has done a lot of wiring. In fact, how much wiring have we done, or at least just the LED lights?
Just on the SlingShot alone, we're gonna have about a mile of cable. That's just the power of the LED strips going all the way from the top to the bottom.
That's crazy. Now, of course, we have these little amplifier boxes on there. Why? Why do we have those?
Yeah, so the amplifier boxes are gonna control the signal from our controller we're actually currently building right now, all the way up to the tower, just so it is even all the way through.
Very nice. Now, just like I had asked Austin, is there a favorite moment you have had on this project so far?
Definitely building the controller for the new rides. We also have one on the Starflyer. We just finished that. When the project is all done, the whole scope we like to have is have the drop tower, SlingShot, and the Starflyer all controlled at the same time. So it's gonna be a really cool look at Icon Park.
Awesome. Now, of course, there comes a lot of difficulties with doing this much wiring. What was a problem, I guess you could say, and how did you overcome it?
One of the biggest problems we've had is just determining how much cable we're gonna need. So with these LED strips right here, these are not used on any other SlingShot in the world. We weren't quite sure exactly how much power we're gonna need, exactly how much signal cable we're gonna need. So that was definitely a lot of math back and forth with our head engineer, Gabe, as well. But it's been a lot of fun and I can't wait to see it lit up.
Yeah, and you did have a chance to test out a couple of the strips though, right?
We did. It's extremely bright. You'll be able to see this thing for miles. Like I said, world's tallest SlingShot. I can't even imagine what it's gonna look like when it's all done. Really excited.
Awesome. Thank you, Matt.
Yo, you're welcome.
Alrighty guys, we're here with our next crew member, Brent, and what are you currently doing right now?
I'm helping Joe feed this wire through this diagonal so that we can get these power cables through.
Very nice. Now, you have to be careful with that and not get any water in it. What kind of special precautions have you done?
We have connected these 2 connections right here.
Okay.
We sealed them very tightly to prevent water from going through them. And we just got the cable through, so there we go.
And we're about to run some more. Is there a favorite moment of this project that you've had so far?
Clocking out and leaving. Is my favorite part.
But honestly, is there a moment?
Honestly, my favorite part would probably be sticking the LED strips onto these.
I will say this, it was very satisfying, wasn't it?
Oh.
It was nice just kind of putting them all on. But
Most definitely, yes.
again, Brent, one of the other guys working here on the new SlingShot project. Alrighty guys, and our next worker here on the site, we have Joe. And Joe, what is going on with all this project?
We're here, man. Light at the end of the tunnel. We're almost done. We're doing the finishing touches. It's been a wild ride, but here we are.
Yeah, and I've asked all the other guys so far, what's a moment that you can take away that's kind of spoken to you or meant a lot?
Honestly, it hasn't happened yet, man. I think once this thing gets up in the air and we're looking at almost 200, 300 feet in the sky, launching people up for the next couple of decades, man, that's going to be the rewarding part.
Obviously.
Right here is the sweat.
Obviously a lot of challenges. What's one that we've had that you felt that the team overcame very well?
Honestly, man, this is probably the best group of technicians I've worked with in my time here. Challenges happen every day, this kind of line of work, and they've risen to every one. I mean, weather, it's been hot. These guys have been getting cooked. I've got a nice little tan, and that's saying a lot for a freckle-faced guy like myself. No, honestly, it's just time constraints, man. We've meeting deadlines, knocking this thing out of the park, and we're looking forward to shooting people up in the sky.
Awesome. Thank you, Joe.
No problem.
Alrighty guys, and another crew member here, you've actually had a chance to meet Josh before. He was one of the guys that was doing the SlingShot climb with me and riding at the bull. Josh, what's it been like being on the site?
It's been hectic at times, but it's really nice working with a crew of guys that really pull together as a team and all really get along together. It's been quite the experience for sure.
Very nice, and I've asked all the other guys the same question. I'm gonna ask you as well. What's one moment that you've had so far that has really kind of made you proud on this project?
When we finally finished getting all the LED strips installed and wired, and when we finally got that all in place and ready to go, that feels pretty solid.
Very nice. Now, you've had a chance to climb multiple SlingShots and whatnot. What is this one going to compare to?
It's definitely going to be a lot higher. It's going to be a lot longer of a climb.
And that's perfectly okay because we do that all the time and whatnot.
Looking forward to it. Can't wait.
Yeah, good stuff, man. Josh, thank you so much for speaking with us, and we'll see you soon.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Well, guys, that's going to do it for another video here from Icon Park, Orlando for the world's tallest SlingShot and drop tower. Exciting stuff as we're able to put up 2 more segments, and it's rising high into the air. Of course, we're going to have plenty more updates from here, so if you like what we do, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter at Midway Mayhem, and I will see you out on the Midway.